Konnichiwa, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna make a daifuku, strawberries daifuku using the koshian which I made last time. This is very popular Japanese sweet. I also love it. And the strawberries are in season right now, so that's why I wanna make it. So and it's very easy to make. So if you get the chance, I want to make it. I want to try it. So okay, let's get started.
So okay, these are the ingredients for today. An essential part of daifuku is mochi. The mochi can be made with shiratama flour, in English says glutinous rice flour, or joshinko white rice flour. You can buy it at Chinese or Japanese supermarket. So okay, first divide the koshian into 6 pieces and make them into balls. So okay, once they have all been shaped into balls, let's make the mochi next. So in a heat-proof bowl, I added 50 grams of sugar and 120 grams white rice flour. Then add the water in 2 parts. This makes it easier to mix. So mix until there are no lumps. Okay, mochi dough is smooth enough. So okay, next loosely cover with cling film and heat in the microwave. So depending on the microwave used, the state of the dough may vary. So this dough is half cooked and a little sticky now. So mix the dough evenly and reheat in the microwave. So while the mochi is warming in the microwave, cut the strawberries in half. So okay, I've finished heating up. It already looks like a mochi, but it's not glossy enough. So when you mix it, the surface of the dough becomes glossy. So after mixing for a while, the mochi will become glossy, and when the dough is smooth, it's ready. I mean, it looks like this. So next, divide the mochi into 6 pieces. So okay, first sprinkle the corn flour or potato flour over the sheet to prevent the mochi from sticking. So and then drop the mochi on it and then divide it into 6 pieces. So the mochi is still hot, so please be careful not to burn your hands. And then shape the mochi and spread it out. This makes it easier to wrap the koshian. So and then top with koshian each and wrap neatly to prevent the mochi from tearing. But I'm a bit clumsy, so it's not easy for me to wrap the look nicely. And please wrap it gently as if you were petting the puppy. So okay, once everything is wrapped up, use the scissors to cut the slit in the middle of the mochi. So and then place the strawberries I've just cut in between. So my way of making it is an example of how to make a strawberry daifuku. Other way is to wrap the strawberries in koshian and cover it with mochi. If anything, I think this is a standard way. Hi, okay, ichigo daifuku are ready. So look at these lovely babies. The sweetness of the koshian and the sourness of the strawberries are in perfect balance. So and then top it all off. The chewy mochi wraps up all the goodness in your mouth. Don't you think strawberries daifuku is the best? So welcome to Japanese sweet world.
Hi, thank you for watching, guys. How was the strawberry daifuku? So if you think it looks delicious, my hours of work on this video will be rewarded. So if you enjoyed my video, please let me know by giving a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!